Now, your first alert weather with Chief Meteorologist Michael Coates.
Cold conditions today. We had temperatures into the teens and 20s, and with that cloud cover and fog, we are also getting a bit of that frosting effect and some light snowflakes coming out of the freezing fog. And that freezing fog leaving that those crystals and the ice and the snow on the tree branches, kind of just giving us a nice little ice glaze on some things, or a little bit of a snow glaze, if you will. 21 degrees right now in Idaho Falls. No wind. That's keeping a fairly stagnant atmosphere. No wind movement. Keeps everything pretty much parked overhead. 27 right now, looking live for the Pocatello Farm Bureau cam. Winds north at 3 miles an hour. Also very light with the wind department. Ridge of high pressure still very much in command of our forecast here. Pushing down on us, keeping everything in place. That's the fog, the cloud cover. Yeah, that's what the inversion does. We've seen some dense fog also in the western edge of Idaho and a really nasty inversion in northern Utah. We're going to hold on to the high pressure at least through the rest of the work week, but as we get into Friday afternoon and into Saturday, we'll start to finally shake things up a little bit with some snow trying to come over the Continental Divide and the Montana border. So tomorrow afternoon around 5 o'clock, pretty much the same forecast as the last couple of days. Patchy freezing fog, low cloud cover, and some of the mountain communities blossoming with the sunshine. Now let's get into Friday. I'm going to stop the clock here Friday in the morning at 6 a.m. Slight chance of snow in our local mountains, but still looking at cloud cover and fog for the Snake River Plain and as you roll further to the south. You'll see a slight chance of snow in Lemhi County, Clark County, and Fremont County, and that's going to be early Friday morning. Then we push it into Friday afternoon. We're going to be keeping the mostly cloudy forecast with us, a partly cloudy sky across the Magic Valley and the lower Snake River Plain, but still kind of a mixed bag of cloud cover and fog here. The inversion is still in place, but we're going to shake it up a little bit by the weekend into Saturday. Saturday around 11 o'clock in the morning, slight chance of snow coming into the Snake Highlands. Some of this may get into the upper valley, but I'm not counting on much if we see anything. And the accumulations will be pretty light. This is a northwest storm, not a lot of moisture packed into it, and you're going to get some snow in Montana and northern Idaho with just a trickle around here locally, and that's even including our mountain locations. So fog and low clouds still with us here. Flurries coming out of that fog and cloud cover, but just a little bit of some snow here for Friday, Saturday, and continuing into a touch of Sunday. Highs for tomorrow into the 20s in Idaho Falls, into the 30s for Pocatello, and we'll see the teens on average tonight for the lows, even a little bit colder as we get to the around sunrise hour for tomorrow morning. 8 at the site tonight with a high of 24 there. We'll hit a high of 29 in Chouse, looking at 32 for Mackay, 25 in Stanley, 8 below tonight for the low in Stanley, 8 below also for West Yellowstone with temps tomorrow warmer in West Yellowstone and Island Park than St. Anthony and Rexburg. There's the inversion. Colder in St. Anthony compared to Island Park, with St. Anthony at 19 for tomorrow. We'll be into the 20s for Jackson. Really cold in Jackson tonight. Not a lot of cloud cover, getting below zero. Same for the Star Valley, but temperatures here getting into the 20s and 30s. And again, warmer conditions in the higher elevations with the Snake River Plain stuck with the inversion. All right, let's talk about what's happening in the 8-day forecast as we move forward. We're going to see lows tonight around the lower to mid-teens. We'll see temperatures tomorrow into the 20s, 24 for Thursday in Idaho Falls, 27 on Friday, and into the 30s with a slight chance of snow this weekend and more patchy valley fog. Sunshine for Monday and Tuesday into next week with highs at around 39 for Wednesday. Pocatello temperatures here at around 34 for Thursday, upper 30s on Saturday, 40 for Sunday. Slight chance of rain middle of next week there with temperatures warming into the 40s and even getting close to 50 degrees. There's a hint of some wet weather middle of next week. It's not a major storm, but just enough to shake things up a bit. 28 this Saturday in Jackson with some scattered snow showers and flurries. Carol?
Thank you. You know, comfort